Pie chart is used to display data in a circular form or in slices of a pie. Drag and drop pie chart in screen canvas. In the Properties panel, first field is Element ID. This is a unique ID given to each element that's used to identify the screen elements when used in other modules. You can adjust X-axis and Y-axis of pie chart using X and Y coordinate fields. You can modify the width and height of element by changing value in width and height field. These can also be modified using Move Cursor in Canvas. Under Chart Type, when pie is selected, the inner circle diameter size will be 0 and data will be displayed as slices. On selecting Donut, data will be displayed as arcs instead of slices. Under Title field, you can provide a title to the pie chart based on what data you intend to display. This field will enable runtime data in deployed application to be refreshed every X minute that's entered here. Enter time in minutes. When this checkbox is selected, a legend based on chosen table and columns will be added. On selecting Label, each slice will have its corresponding value displayed outside the slice. Let's now map data to the pie chart. Under Data Source Table, select a relevant table from the list of all created tables. Choose a column based on what data you need to display in the slices of your pie chart. Under Function column, choose a column based on which you would like to apply function to the table. Under Function, you can select a function to be applied to the selected function column. If you select a numeric type function column, you will also be able to apply sum, min, max, and average functions. Under Decimal Precision, you can provide number of digits or decimal numbers after the whole number. Enabling thousand separator scales a number by multiples of 1000 and separates by comma. Under Prefix, you can add values to the beginning of column data. Under Suffix, you can add values to the end of column data. Under Color Palette, you can select desired palette from list of available options. Click on the desired palette to be applied to individual slices of pie chart. By default, you will have 10 palettes. You can also increase the number of available options by changing values here in this input field. You will get entered number of colors in each palette. You can enter a maximum of 100 colors to be added to the palette. To filter entire pie chart content, choose a column from selected data table here. Choose from the list of operators in this drop-down. Enter column value as it is in the data table. Added filter will appear here, which can also be deleted if needed. These are the pie chart properties. Let's style the pie chart now. Click on Background Color to choose a color to be applied to pie chart's background. Under Font Family, you can choose a font to be applied to title, column labels, and legend. Provide font size of title, label, and legend by manually entering a value here. Click on Font Color field to change the default black font color. You can change font to italic here, and from normal font to bold here. You can underline the title using this field. Border thickness can be provided in numbers here. A desired border color for the pie chart can be selected here. Moving on to Events section. On-click event will be triggered on clicking the entire pie chart. On-hover event will be triggered when hovered over this pie chart. On-slice click event will be triggered on clicking any of the slices in the chart. Choose an already created event that should be triggered under Select Event. If you have parameters in the added event, you must configure them before adding event. You can also edit the event parameters after adding an event, and can delete the added event here. This is how you can configure pie chart.